Subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English for English videos, and also subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes Urdu for Urdu videos, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos so you will get all the notifications. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed, and you are watching Noorani Qaida lessons. And inshallah, in today's class, we are going to start the exercise of Sukoon sign. So whenever Sukoon sign or Jazam sign comes on a letter, so how to pronounce that letter in the word. So inshallah we will exercise of this lesson today. Let us move now. So this lesson basically we divided in 4 parts because it's little bit long. So in today's class just want to tell something like if the blue colors come, so you have to make qalqala sound there. Inshallah I will tell how you make qalqala. There are 5 qalqala letters like qutubu jaddin, qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. So whenever anyone from these 5 letters come with a sukoon sign on it, so we will make their qalqala sound like the echo sound or the bouncing sound, you can say as well. And on the green colors we will read the green colors letter in heavy sound. Now we start. In each word you can see that in the word the one letter has a sukoon sign, as you can see in the first example. Like in this example the noon has a sukoon sign, so that is a letter. The letter is coming in this complete word now. Similarly each word you can see that each letter has a sukoon sign, right? So this exercise we are going to do today. So I will read first, you can repeat after me. Hamza, Noon, Fatha, An, Ta, Fathata, Auta. We will hide the sound of Noon into our nose, as it is called ikhfa. Ikhfa means hide the sound of Noon. Auta. We cannot say Anta. If we say An, so that is the clear sound of Noon, and that is wrong here. So we will hide the sound of Noon, and then we say Auta. And also we long here 1 second. Auta. We will make gunna sound into our nose. Auta, but hidden sound. After that the next is Hamza, Ha, Kasra, Ih, Dal, Kasra, Di, Ih, Di, Ba, Ain, Fatha, Ba, Dal, Dhamma, Du, Ba'du. The Ain sound should be soft. You cannot say Ba'du. If you say Ba, that is Hamza sound then, okay? So you have to release little bit the sound of Ain, as it has a tawassut quality. So we say Ba, Ba'du. If you don't know the makharij or the qualities of Arabic letters, so you can watch that tutorials on our website as well. Ba, Ta, Fatha, Bat, Shin, Fatha, Sha, Bat, Sha, Bat, Sha. Now you can see that Ta is in blue color and also in green color. So we will make qalqala sound, and also we will read this Ta in heavy sound. That's why this Ta in green color, and the sukoon sign which you are looking, that is in blue color. So qalqala sound and heavy sound, both sounds will be in Ta, as we say Bat. So when we say Bat, that is we are connecting, and then if we release the sound, that is qalqala. Bat, right? So remember that. بطش بطش سين عين فتحة سع يا فتحة يا سعيا 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 كاف نون ضمة كن تا ضمة تو كنت كنت. Hide the sound of noon into your nose. Lam sin fatha las ta fathata lasta lasta. This is not hamza as it is connected to the left side. So when the straight line you see and that is connected to the left side, that is lam. Hamza mim fatha ra double kasra rin amrin amrin. Ba ra fatha bar dal double fatha dan bardan bardan. Jim mim fatha jam ain double fatha an jam'an jam'an. Ha ba fatha hab lam double dhamma lun hablun hablun. Look, the kalkala sound, but here is a weak kalkala. When kalkala letters come in the middle of the word, at that time we make weak kalkala, not a strong kalkala. Remember that. Hablun, we cannot say hab hablun, that is strong. Only we say hablun hablun. Kha sin dhamma khus ra double kasra rin khusrin khusrin. Kha lam fatha khal qaf double fatha qan khalqan khalqan. Sin ba fatha sab ha double fatha han sabhan sabhan. As you can see, again ba is coming in the middle of the word. That's why we make weak qalqala here as well, like sab sabhan. We cannot say strong qalqala like sabhan, which is wrong. Sabhan sabhan. Sin ba fatha sab qaf double fatha qan sabqan sabqan. Shin hamza fatha sha noon double dhamma nun sha nun sha nun. So the rule is that whenever hamza comes with a sukoon sign, we make a jerk sound there, like we are doing here. But here you can see alif, but I told already, if alif has a sukoon sign or fatha kasra dhamma, so that alif becomes hamza. Right now this is hamza and hamza has a sukoon sign now. That's why we make jerk sound. So we say sha nun sha'nun. Sad ba dhamma sub ha double fatha han subhan subhan. Dad ba fatha tab ha double fatha han dabhan dabhan. Ain ba fatha ab dal double fatha dan abdan abdan. Ain dal fatha ad noon double kasra nin adnin adnin. Ain shin fatha ash ra double kasra rin عشر عشر عين صاد فتحة عص فا دبل كسرة فين عصف عصف غين را فتحة غر قاف دبل فتحة قن غرقا غرقا غين لام ضمة غل با دبل فتحة بن غلبا غلبا فا صاد فتحة فص لام دبل ضمة لن فصل فصل قاف دال فتحة قد ح دبل فتحة حن قد حن قد حن قاف ضاد فتحة قض با دبل فتحة بن قضبا قضبا. So make sure do not make a qalqala sound on the dad, as mostly people make this mistake. They say qad qadban qad, right? Qad, that is wrong. Only hold the sound of dad into your mouth and long there, like qad qad qadban qadban qadban. Kaf hamza fatha ka, Seen double fatha san ka san. This is again hamza here and we make jerk sound. Ka san. Kaf dal fatha kad, ha double fatha han kad han kad han. Lam ghain fatha lag, waw double fatha one lagwan lagwan. Mim sin kasra mis, kaf double dhamma kun miskun miskun. Noon kha fatha nakh, lam double fatha lan nakhlan nakhlan. Noon sheen fatha nash, ta double fatha twan nashtan nashtan. Noon fa fatha naf, sin double kasra sin nafsin nafsin. Noon qaf fatha naq, ain double fatha an naq'an naq'an. Ya sin dhamma yus, ra double fatha ran yusran yusran. Hamza ba fatha ab, qaf standing fatha qa abqa abqa. So ya is a silent here. Ya we do not read as there is no any sign on the ya. Ta ra fatha tar, dad standing fatha da tarda tarda. Ta noon fatha tan, sin standing fatha sa tansa tansa. Ya kha fatha yakh, sheen standing fatha sha yakhsha yakhsha. Ya sin fatha yas, ain standing fatha a yas'a yas'a, ya ta fatha yat, lam waw damma lu, yatlu, yatlu, ya dal fatha yad, ain waw damma u, yad'u, yad'u. This is waw madda here now, as dhamma is followed by waw sakin. Ta jim fatha taj, ra ya kasra ri. Again ya madda now. So kasra is followed by ya sakin, we longer as well. Tajri, tajri, ya ha fatha yah, dal ya kasra di, yahdi, yahdi, ya ghain dhamma yu, nun ya kasra ni, yughni, yughni, hamza lam fatha al, qaf ta fatha qat, alqat, alqat, hamza mim fatha am, ha lam kasra hil, amhil, amhil, hamza qaf kasra iq, ra hamza fatha ra, iqra, iqra. Again here is hamza, it has a sukoon sign, so we make jerk sound. Iqra, on the kaf we make qalqala sound as well, and again it is weak qalqala. Fa ra fatha far, ghain ba fatha ghab, farghab. So here is a strong qalqala. Whenever qalqala letters come in the end with a sukoon sign, at that time we make a strong qalqala, and whenever qalqala letters have a shad sign, at that time there will be strongest qalqala. So but you make here strong qalqala now, as the qalqala letter is in the end. Farghab, farghab, fa noon fatha fan, sad ba fatha sab, fansab. We will hide the sound of noon. Fansab. Waw noon fatha one, hara fatha har, one har, one har. Hamza kha fatha akh, ra fatha ra, akhra. Jim fatha ja, akhraja, akhraja. Hamza ra fatha ar, sin fatha sa, arsa. Lam fatha la, arsala, arsala. Hamza ghain fatha agh, ta fatha ta, أغطى. شين فتحة شا، أغطش، أغطش. همزة فا فتحة أف، لام فتحة لا، أفلا. حا فتحة حا، أفلح، أفلح. همزة كاف فتحة أك، را فتحة را، أكرا. ميم فتحة ما، أكرما، أكرما. So today is enough up to here. Inshallah, in the next class we will continue the same lesson. And if you like this video, click on the like button and share with your friends. Stay tuned. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.